In this demonstration, we will configure remote control default settings for multiple devices in N-Central. In the left menu, go to Administration and select Defaults. Then Remote Control Defaults. Select the device class for the default connection type. In this example, we will configure laptops, Windows. Select the checkbox to enable a default setting, and click the lock to prevent users from modifying the settings from the customer or site level, or when configuring a single device. Select the default connection type from the drop-down. In this example, we will enable Take Control. Select Request User Permission to edit the permission request text and the display time for the request. Configure the remaining default settings, and select the checkbox to propagate the changes to customers and sites, and to existing devices. Click Save to apply the default settings.